Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this tutorial I will teach you how to create a scroll Rect. I am using two assets which are completely free. One is avatar and second one is game UI pack. First create a canvas and in canvas set its scale size to scale with screen size and 1920 by 1080. Okay, and create another UI component which is panel, call it background. Okay, great. In UI pack we have a image which is PG name. Apply it. Also set its alpha to full, which is 255. Okay, great. After that create another component image, call it dialog, and I will select the panel 6 which is in the panel 3 folder. Okay, set to native size. Let's create the another image component, call it scroll Rect. Add it to component scroll react, and here is main fields which we want to put it here. One was is content, second one is viewport. Tutorial we will only use horizontal scroll react, so uncheck it. Create its size like this and create its another child which is also a image and call it viewport, and change its color little bit dark and set to stretch. Okay, great. And now create another component image. Let's duplicate it using command D on Mac and control D on Windows and call it content. Okay, great. And in content create another image. For now create an image. If you want to create a button, go and create the button. I will create image and call it avatar 1, and in our 2D game kit flat characters create first avatar and set to native size and change its size around 250 by 250. Okay, duplicate it. Now important part is on content create a horizontal layout. Also set it to child alignment to middle left, and now create another duplicate other. Here is another problem. Go to the content size or content, add it content size fitter and call it min size and set it to left. In scroll Rect assign the corresponding fields like content here and viewport here. Here is another problem which is completely shown outside the border, so just go to the viewport and